Right now, what we're doing is pulling off the excess and maybe even filling holes at the same time. What I normally do is pull off the main part first, and I use, if I can, I try to use all four sides, four corners of that sponge. On a flat floor, I might use older towels, and you of course wouldn't want to use your nice guest towels or nothing like that. And it covers a big area and cleans a lot faster. But you'll have to clean your water fairly often. But what you do is pull the main part off the direction, one direction. If you rub around, you will get there eventually. That didn't sound right, but you're wiping in a particular direction. That way you're hunting for the straight edges down here, which looks like this one's shifting. It did. So we'll have to fix that. Didn't notice it. So we're cleaning this all up. And eventually you'll have a powdery look like this. That'll all be able to be cleaned up with a dry rag, and dust will come off. And that's what it ends up being. You don't want any thick material that you have to work hard at it. But you're hunting for those straight edges. And you want to get the main part of the grout off.